What you doing?
Hey, I was reminiscing.
About that lovely September day we met 10 plus years ago?
Yes. No.
About what?
You said something the other day that you shared something about something a client had told you, one of your nutrition coaching clients, that you had changed her life. Is that what she said to you?
Yeah. That she didn't realize the possibility of ever getting so much of her life back, and that it has changed her life from the outlook of things that she could do, would do, had stopped doing, and now the possibilities are just, she's not seeing walls and barriers anymore. She's seeing nothing but possibility.
Wow. Yeah, the stuff that, and I don't hear a lot of the stuff that you do, but the stuff that you've shared with me about the feedback you get is astounding. Also, the people that you're helping is, I never predicted you would be helping the families of doctors themselves, dentists. I mean, that's got to make you feel good that the value that they, well, first of all, expectations, you have to deliver on that. But they would never hire you if they didn't feel like you had value. That's got to make you feel good.
And that they're hearing something that's very different or out of their frame of reference or knowledge in terms of what could turn their health around, or their mother or nephew. So it's very nice when that referral does come in. But you know, the everyday person, the person I see at the gym, the person I run into at the grocery store, is also as rewarding, because people shut down. They just stop doing things and think, this is what I'm left with.
Yeah.
Let's hope it doesn't get any worse. But you've helped so many people overcome so many obstacles and fears to become speakers, to get out of their shell. You get positive feedback all the time.
Yeah, but I reminisced about that yesterday. What's exciting, the feedback I've been getting that I've been super excited about lately is not related directly to being a better speaker. It's like a secondary benefit, and they're different secondary benefits that I never predicted. Like, people will say to me, one guy told me a long time ago, famous, you've heard this, he says, you didn't change the way I talk, you changed the way I walk.
I do remember
and over again, I hear that people are more confident because they were able to pick up speaking skills, you know.
But it's
another
more than,
one.
I'm going to interrupt you one moment there, because it's not just the skills, it's the confidence that they bring, knowing they have an ability to articulate ideas that they've been afraid about before, and to do it in front of, whether it's 10 people or 100 people or 1,000 people. It's very, very powerful to go, wow, I'm able to get my message across. I'm able to impact people, whether it's changing something in a job or actually becoming a influential speaker on stage.
Yeah, of course. I mean, 3 weeks ago, one of my former clients, because the coaching doesn't go on forever, it has a starting point and an ending point. I don't think I told you that she texted me to tell me that she had been promoted because her boss had, quote, noticed changes in how she carried herself and how she presented herself to the team.
Interesting. Wow.
Now, I don't know if the promotion came with more money, but imagine that. She's making more money. She's been promoted. She's got a higher station in life. Maybe more opportunities will open for her there, and she's more confident.
Yeah.
I can tell you, I've done some odd jobs. I've done some jobs I didn't care for. I've been a keynote speaker now for 30 years. That's pretty cool. This speaker coaching is without question the most rewarding job I've ever had. I mean, I don't even think of it as a job because it's so, it makes me feel so good.
Yeah. I don't think about mine as a job either.
Yeah.
It just seems like what I'm supposed to do to help people feel as good as I want to feel as good as you feel, day in, day out, and to realize that whatever hole they're dug into for whatever reason, there are some ways to figure out getting out.
Yeah. Good talk. Let's get back to work.
All right, fine.